take seconds or even years. Welcome back to this channel. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. My today's topic is letting go. I'm going to give you 3 ways of how you need to let go of someone in the process of healing yourself. So let's get started. My number one is forgive. Forgive because we are all humans and we are bound to make mistakes. So forgive them for your own peace of mind. My second is lessons. Lessons that no books, parent, institute, not even your best friend can teach you. So learn it as an important chapter of your life and move on. My third and most important is accept. Accept that they are now not a part of your life anymore and they are not going to come back. Whatever happened for the best. And in this process, don't forget to love and appreciate yourself. I hope you enjoyed my video just the way I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fruitful content. I'll see you next week.